How to convert your ribbon token to Aevo token while earning good staking income. That is the topic for today's video. Hello and welcome back to Investment Vitals. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay informed for such informative videos in future. Also share with your friends and family. I would love to hear your comments and queries. If you have any comments or queries, do mention in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Before I proceed with that video, this is not financial advice. This is entirely for information and education purposes only. Well, before I move to the main topic of today's video, a little bit of historical background to this topic. You might skip this section. I'll try to place timestamps in the down below, and you can move to the section that is most relevant for you. However, before I move, a little more background to what the underlying thesis is. Now, quite some time back, almost 2-3 months back, I had made this video of an arbitrage opportunity between Ribbon token and Evo token. As I discussed in that video, Ribbon token is expected to be converted one-to-one into Evo token. This is also mentioned in the Binance research report here, in which it says that Evo is built by the team that launched Ribbon Finance. As such, RBN, that is Ribbon holders, are able to convert their Ribbon to Evo at a rate of one-to-one, which requires a 2 months lockup. RBN will follow the original vesting schedule. This is what was the premise of the video, and back then we had discussed that if anybody is interested in buying and holding Aevo, which is a very good token for its exchange, then it is more sensible to rather buy Ribbon and vest it for convert it into Aevo at a later date. I will also show you the calculation that as it stands today. Well, at that point of time, Ribbon was trading at around $1.6 and Aevo was not listed, but it was expected to be listed at around $3. I will leave a link of that video on the top of the screen. At that point of time, I had also demonstrated why I expect Aevo to list at around 2.6 or 2.7 US dollars. In fact, Aevo listed at around the same price and went on to hit around a high of around 4 US dollars. Since then, it has fallen in line with the fall in market price. This fall in crypto market is something we had expected. It is exactly in line with the expectation. As per the video published on 23rd of March, link on top of the screen, and also the video prior to this, that is 20th of March. In that, in those videos, we had expected that Bitcoin will fall to around 57,000 US dollars, which is a 50 days moving average. Of course, the moving average is increasing, and we believe that that will be a very great buying opportunity. Crypto market is down today, but there is still some more leeway for Bitcoin to go to the levels that we had estimated. I would strongly suggest that you watch those videos in the current context. Now, because of the fall in the crypto market, Aevo token has taken a big hit. It is down 21% today, and Ribbon token is also down to around 1.4 US dollars. However, it still offers a good arbitrage opportunity for somebody who wants to buy an Aevo token, as I will show in this Excel here. In the current Excel, I have plotted the price of Ribbon token and Aevo token. Aevo token is currently at 1.89. I'll correct it. It is 1.89 US dollars, while the Ribbon token is currently priced at around. Ribbon token is currently priced at around, after a 15% fall today, it's currently priced at $1.40, which is rightly mentioned here. The difference between the two token prices is $0.49, and the difference in terms of percentage is, as you can see on the screen, 35%. The time for the conversion between the two token is 2 months, as is also mentioned in the Binance report. I will also show you in the conversion section that this is indeed 2 months. That is the second part of today's video, and hence this 35% in 2 months translates to around 210% arbitrage opportunity in terms of an annualized return on this. Additionally, there will be around 10% of staking yield in the mechanism that I'll be talking today. Well, with that out of the way, let me move to the actual topic of today's video, as for how to convert your Ribbon token to Aevo token. Now, ideally speaking, this would happen de facto, but I will tell you a way which will give you assurance of conversion of your Ribbon token to Aevo token, and at the same time make some earnings on this. For the purpose of this, you have to go to this website, which is the website for the Aevo exchange, which is aevo.xyz. Either you can directly, I'll leave a link to this website, or that is the Aevo exchange in the description and all the pin section of this video. You can also go to it directly through CoinGecko. This is the route I normally follow for assurance. I don't want to go to a wrong link by mistyping a name, so you can straight away go and find Aevo token. Click on Aevo on CoinGecko or Coin Market Cap, whichever you prefer. I prefer CoinGecko. scroll down to the website, and if you click on the link here, which is evo.xyz, it will take you to this very website. Once you're on the website, click launch exchange to open the exchange. Subsequently, you'll have to, of course, for this to happen, you have to connect your wallet to this. Now, for those who still keep their cryptocurrency on centralized exchange, that's a very risky move. We have seen FTX collapse and such similar collapses, so it is always avoidable to keep in centralized cryptocurrency exchange. Either keep in with entities that are SEC regulated, or in your own self custody. Now, for the purpose of conversion, you will have to stake your Evo token. Towards step top of the website, you will see this link Aevo. Click on the link Aevo. It will show you the description. Well, before we move to that, now go ahead and click connect wallet. When you click connect wallet, it will ask you to open the wallet that you use. For this video, I'm using MetaMask. I'll click on MetaMask and log into my wallet, in which I'm currently holding the Aevo tokens. It will take some time. Of late, I've been noticing a little bit of extra time for opening MetaMask. I don't know why, but okay, we'll wait for this to open. In the meanwhile, the process that I've been talking about will entirely be executed in Aevo token, and the website will also show that it's going to take around 2 months of time for your tokens to be converted. Now, I'll be hiding when this MetaMask opens. Click next. I'll be hiding my address for security purposes. Click on next on your MetaMask or the wallet that you're using, and click connect to connect the MetaMask or your wallet to the Aevo token. The exchange will ask you to sign a message. Click sign on the website. It will prompt you to sign this transaction on your MetaMask or your cryptocurrency wallet. Go ahead and sign it over there. Read through the content. Of course, you have to be certain of what you're accepting and what you're signing on. But Aevo is a reputed decentralized exchange, so most people would tend to rely on it. But again, this is your own individual discussion, own individual decision. While this website opens, let me tell you that once I log into this staking option in the Aevo decentralized exchange, yeah, this is the sign in message. I'll click on the sign in message, click on the blue tab which is sign. It will allow you to log into the website. Yes, now when this site opens, I've already logged in this you can see that there's an option of deposit. I'll rather close it. I'll click on Aevo again once more. There's an option. As I click on Aevo, I'll get an option of farming and staking. We are going to use the staking option, so we click on staking here. Now, as you can see, it currently shows the staking for Aevo. However, I would rather go. I want to stake my ribbon token. For that, there's an option. When I click on stake, it'll take me to the next page, and there's a drop down. As you can see here, it shows the drop down of Aevo or the ribbon token. For this purpose of the video, I would stake my ribbon token. When I click ribbon here, then I can click maximum and then approve RBN for staking my ribbon token. Now, I would leave a little bit of decimal point, because I've seen there are certain errors if I stake the entire amount. So instead of staking the entire amount, I will round it off to only the whole number of my ribbon holding, and then simply click approve ribbon. Now, this is on Ethereum exchange. We all know that Ethereum chain. So Ethereum typically takes a little longer than most other chains for executing. So we'll have to wait for a couple of minutes while the transaction goes through. Also, bear in mind that this will take around a couple of minutes to take. Additionally, there will be a certain amount that will be required in terms of Ethereum for the transaction to go through. Also, be mindful that you have to be on the Ethereum chain on your wallet, which is MetaMask or whatever the wallet you are using for this purpose. Now, it will ask you to approve the amount that you are spending. Click on the next to confirm the maximum amount you spend, and then click on approve for approving the maximum amount that you want to allow this exchange to use. Now, you can read at the bottom. You can read here that says you cannot unstake until the end of the 2 month staking period. The second bullet point says that once 2 months have lapsed, you must restake in order to continue earning rewards. And finally, unstaked RBN will be converted to Aevo 1-to-1. So this gives you assurance that your staked ribbon will be converted in a 1-to-1 ratio into Aevo token at the end of the 2 months period. And also in the interim, you will be currently the staking reward is estimated at around 10.52% APR. So you will continue to earn this APR on your staked ribbon. Go ahead and click stake RBN, and that will allow you to stake your RBN, which will eventually convert into Aevo at a later date. So I will be going and approving the transaction on my MetaMask as it prompt as the prompt open. And subsequently, I also show that despite the fall in the cryptocurrency market and the value of both the tokens, the arbitrage trade still exists. If you have not seen the video on this arbitrage, you can go ahead and see this video later on. The price is a little high. It is still much lesser than what it used to be prior to the Denkan upgrade. It is 17-18 dollars, which is very low compared to the normal prices we have paid on Ethereum earlier. It's fine. Click confirm and it will go ahead and stake your Aevo token. While the staking is happened, yes, I think it is done. Yes, it is done. It took less than a minute, which is fair, and you can see the interface is pretty neat. This is a very good. I like the interface of Aevo. If you have not used the exchange, you can go ahead and use it. It's a fantastic exchange. But before I conclude the video, one last thing, that is the current status of the arbitrage. And as I discussed, even today the arbitrage opportunity exists at around 30%, 35% arbitrage. So if anybody is still interested in buying and holding Evo token, well, instead of buying Evo, today's arbitrage opportunity does suggest that we rather buy a ribbon and stake it for conversion into Evo at a later date and save the money by buying the token at a lesser price. I know I've gone a little fast. Some of you might find my speed a little high. You can reduce your speed on YouTube to watch it. But I still do sincerely hope that you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and family. And also do let me know how you found if you found the video useful or not. If you have any comments and queries, in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. See you. Bye.